And that's how you put on lip gloss. What do you think about that?
Amazing.
Amazing. Well, tell them.
Amazing.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Cordelia Does It All.
Hi.
So, what are we doing today, Cordelia, on Cordelia Does It All?
We are going to be doing a short little makeup tutorial.
With what?
On lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Woo! So, before we get started with our lip gloss tutorial, we want to say welcome to our channel. And Cordelia and I have partnered with Unique Cosmetics. So if you guys see any of the stuff that you like that we're using, you can just scroll down below and click it and it'll take you to Cordelia's site and you can get the same stuff we're doing tutorials on today, like the, what is that called? Lucrative
lip gloss.
Lucrative lip gloss. Woo! So I'm going to show them how to put it on. Are you guys ready to see how to put it on? Are you ready to put it on? Mm-hmm. Are you ready to show them how to put it on? Mm-hmm. Lip gloss, lucrative lip gloss. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. First you take it out of the box and then you take off the lid.
The top.
The top. And then you hold it. Yes, good job, like that. And then you put it. Oh yeah, she's a pro. Put it, make sure that you apply it to your lip. Here, let's see. There we go. Apply it lucratively.
Okay,
and you're gonna do the top. Make sure you don't go outside the lines. Okay, on the top. Outside, don't go, stay inside. Yeah, just like when you're coloring at school. Stay inside the lines. Nice job. Inside the lines, inside the lines. Inside the other side of the lines, other side. Nice, other side. Other side. Oop, oop. Don't press so hard. It doesn't go all over the place. There you go. Just apply it nice. And now rub your lips together. And voila! Lucrative lip gloss. Let them see it over there. Boop. Yes, nice job. And that's how you put on lip gloss. What do you think about that?
Amazing.
Amazing. Well, tell them.
Amazing.
Amazing. So again, that is called the lucrative, what is it called? The lucrative lip gloss by Unique. And if you would like to pick that up, you can just click the little link below. And go to Cordelia's website and pick that up. Alright, you guys, we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click any of the links below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. And let us know what you would like to see us do in the next video tutorial. How about that? Yeah? Alright, well, we'll see you then. Alright, bye guys.